I think Bitcoin can make a new all-time high in 2026, and I think it can do it convincingly, far above the 126 mark. I view most of 2025 as a long bearish consolidation. I know we poked our head above 120 a couple times, and we made these new little highs, but we began the year roughly around 90K. We made a new all-time high on Inauguration Day in January of 108 or 109, and then we bounced around that range the entire year, and now we're under it. To me, markets correct in two ways. They correct in price, and they correct in time. I think the entire story of 2025 was largely, it was working off the bullish moves that we had 2023 and 2024 after the ETF launch. You had the most successful launches of an ETF in history, and Bitcoin spending weeks and months above 100K. That's a monumental year. I know it's not Lambo money type years for some people, but I think it's huge. If it rises here, if it reclaims 100, if people start to question whether they should just look at the calendar and that's all that matters rather than all of this data and all of these bullish catalysts that are out there, just picture for a second here. If a new all-time high is made in 2026, that would probably be one of the most bullish developments, I think, in the history of Bitcoin. And the reason for that is you would absolutely shatter once and for all this 4-year cycle myth. People would look at this as an institutional asset that can rise and fall with the broader macroeconomic environment, and they don't have to time it like people have gotten accustomed to, trying to look for exits. I think that is massively bullish. The destruction of that narrative is probably what we need to send Bitcoin orders of magnitude higher.